Welcome to InfinitForm, your generative engineering platform built to accelerate innovation, enhance performance, and manufacturability at unprecedented speed. If this is your first time on the platform, this short walkthrough will help you get oriented and show you how quickly you can move from geometry to an optimized, manufacturable design. Whether you're designing for CNC machining, die casting, or other modern manufacturing processes, InfinitForm helps you dramatically reduce design time while improving engineering outcomes. To get started, head over to InfinitForm.com and activate your free trial. Once signed in, you'll land in your InfinitForm Cabinet, your central workspace for managing projects, collaborating with others, and tracking recent activity. On the left-hand side is the navigation bar. Projects show you all the designs you've created. Folders help you organize your projects for quick access. Shared resources contains designs you've shared with teammates or suppliers. And Shared with Me displays projects others have shared directly with you. The main workspace updates based on your selection. At the top, you'll see your most recently opened projects. You can use the search bar to quickly find a specific project, filter results by folder, or manufacturing method. Let's create your first project. You can start with one of InfinitForm's sample projects or upload your own by selecting New Project in the upper right corner. Simply drag and drop your step file or browse to upload it. Once the file is uploaded, select Proceed and InfinitForm will process your geometry and create a new project. When you're ready, click Open on the project to enter the design environment. Inside the editor, InfinitForm's AI copilot helps you set up an optimization in minutes. It guides you through key decisions, selecting parameters, applying realistic loads, and defining clear performance and manufacturing goals, so nothing critical gets overlooked. Let's start by telling InfinitForm what we're designing. In this case, we'll specify an automotive component. Based on that context, the AI copilot automatically proposes intelligent default settings and constraints. Next, we'll define the material. For this example, we'll choose aluminum 6061. The AI copilot then classifies the geometry, identifying the design space and preserved regions. This tells InfinitForm which areas can evolve and which features must remain fixed. Now we'll apply loads. Here, we'll add 3 1,000 Newton forces in the X, Y, and Z directions. With loads defined, we'll set a performance target. In this case, we want to reduce the part's weight to 20% of the original mass while maintaining structural integrity. And finally, we'll define manufacturability. We'll choose CNC machining with tool access from the Z and X directions. And just like that, your optimization setup is complete, with the AI copilot ensuring the design is both high-performing and manufacturable. Once configured, InfinitForm takes it from here. Our GPU-accelerated optimization engine processes your model in minutes, not hours, delivering a design tailored to your engineering requirements and manufacturing constraints. With InfinitForm, you can move from concept to optimized manufacturing design in record time. You're now ready to explore your projects, experiment with new ideas, and push performance further than before. Welcome to InfinitForm, and welcome to the future of engineering design.